Hey, I can make all kinds of different meals tonight. I gotta just choose one because I have so many items in stock, okay? That's where you need to be, all right? There's no more excuses. You can do this. How does 45 grams of protein sound in about 10 minutes? How's that sound? I got your lunch, you got your dinner covered. Man, I had this last night. I have the ingredients at home, so I'm here at Walmart just to show you what to get. Man, I needed a quick meal last night, so I used these exact ingredients and got me 45 grams of protein with the quickness. I'm trying to tell you, I'm gonna show you exactly what to get. Man, have this for lunch, have it for dinner. Let me know in the comments if you try it out. I'm trying to tell you, if you keep these items, most of these items you should have in stock. Keep them at the house for those times. I didn't know exactly what I was gonna have for dinner, but I said, you know what? I know I got some protein at the house. I have some different ingredients at the house. Just put something together, man. If you keep this stuff in stock, keep the healthiest stuff as possible. There is no more excuses, man. I'll show you exactly what I had because I'm about to have this joker again because I'm starving. This one's good. Check it out. 45 grams of protein. Let's go. I usually start with protein first, but I'm here by the vegetables right now. So I'm gonna show you right here. Go grab you some of these lettuce boats, okay? Lettuce wraps, lettuce boats. These are great, especially if you're low carb. Even if you're not low carb, it's all right, man. These things taste great, okay? Like it's cold, you got the crunchiness of it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use these, or you can use tortillas if you want to, but if not, I love using lettuce wraps, lettuce boats, whatever you wanna call them, it don't matter. Make sure you pick you up some of these. Keep these at the house. They go great with beef. They go great with chicken, seafood, anything you want to put in lettuce wraps. They're like a cheat code, man. You don't have to worry about the carbs. If you're low carb, these are perfect. If you don't care about carbs, these are still perfect, man, because they taste great. So grab you some of these. Now, another item I used was this right here. These little mini cucumbers. I don't know if you've ever seen these little mini cucumbers. You can get your regular size cucumber as well. I love having cucumbers. I add cucumbers to a lot of my foods because, man, just the crunchiness, the flavor of a cucumber is great. Let me check these out. These cucumbers right here, these small ones, they are so convenient. What I did is I just sliced up one of these, stuck it in that lettuce boat, and I'm gonna show you what else I'm gonna put in there. But go get you some cucumbers. I'm trying to tell you, add cucumbers to your diet, add cucumbers to your routine, man. Keep these in the fridge now. They're so good, all right? All right, guys, this don't have nothing to do with that lunch I'm about to make, but anytime I'm at Walmart, I definitely look for these right here. Sola, go check out Sola. They carry the bagels, they carry the bread. Man, you cannot beat these bagels. I keep these bagels in stock, okay? I mean, you can have these any time of day. Of course, you can have them for breakfast. Throw some honey on it, throw some of that 4 fruits jelly I always talk about. Get you 14 grams of protein, 6 net carbs in this joker, 29 grams of fiber up in there. Come on now, you cannot beat that, all right? If you're looking to kick your fiber up, looking for a quick protein hack, I keep these on me. And they have the bread too. This is the bread I use right here when I talk about those peanut butter and jelly sandwiches I'm always talking about. I use this bread right here. Sweet and buttery. Come on now. 1 gram of net carb per slice. So if you're low carb, it's perfect. Hey man, they taste great, okay? You gotta check these out. They also have 4 grams of protein in each slice now. Come on. Always trying to get a protein, but this ain't enough protein. Walmart holding it down with the Sola high protein bread. Come on. 1 slice, 90 calories, 10 grams of protein. Can't beat that, all right? So make sure you check Walmart. If you have, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna get for lunch, but if you're at Walmart, stop by the bread section and look for Sola and thank me later, all right? Check it out. All right, next up, we gotta get our protein. So what I want you to do is go over to the beef section, grab you some beef. Now this is 96 lean beef. This is what I'm gonna use. I always talk about it. So I'm gonna use 6 ounces of this, okay? That's gonna give me almost 40 grams of protein. Let's go get some stuff to season it up, all right? All right, now when you're cooking the beef, I'm gonna show you what to put in there. So as the beef's cooking, when it's almost done, it doesn't take long to cook, right? Because it's beef, that's why we're using it. But when it's almost done, let me show you what I use. You don't have to use this if you don't want to. You can use your own, but this made it taste great. Let me show you. I'll just put some of this green salsa in there, all right? 2 tablespoons or so should set you straight on 6 ounces of beef. But this is the one that I use. You don't have to use this one if you don't want to. It's up to you. I mean, there's all kinds of different options here, okay? So just make sure you spin it around and see the ingredients that are in it, okay? And if those fit your macros, if those fit your diet, grab you some of that, all right? So, and if you know about this, let me know in the comments. So this I put on top of the beef and the lettuce wrap, man, it just sets it off, all right? Let me show you. If you know about this, let me know. This right here, this Taco Bell fire sauce, put this in your life, let me know, thank me later. This stuff is so good, okay? So if you haven't tried it, give it a shot. I think you'll like it. I'm pretty sure you'll like it. I didn't think I'd like it as much when I first tried it, but man, stuff is good, all right? So this is optional as well. If you got your own hot sauce that you like, use your own, stuff's good, come on. Okay, now one more item I want you to add to the beef and to the lettuce wrap. Now this is optional. If you don't want to add it, you don't have to. It does add a little bit of protein in there, all right? So that flavor up, check this out. I want you to go get a string cheese. You're just gonna use 1, okay? Now, that's gonna add 7 grams of protein in there. It goes great with that beef, all right? So Go grab you some string cheese. Man, it's a great snack as well. If your macros can handle cheese, man, these string cheese are great. We're gonna use one of these. All right, one more thing I forgot to tell you, I add to the beef whenever I'm cooking it. Now you don't have to use this, I just always talk about it. Where we at, where we at, where we at, where you at, where you at? There it is, right here. This right here, Tony Chachere's, come on now. What the? Well, that joker just fell on its own. Got some ghost up in there. It's Tony Chachere's right here. Put this in your life, keep it in your pantry. Actually, I need to get another one because I use it all the time. I put it on vegetables, I'm gonna put it on that meat. Make sure you get you some of this, all right? Hey, this dude jamming over here. Check this out. See my man over here in Walmart jamming. Look at this, jamming over here. Come on now. See, that's how we get down to Walmart, huh? Already, let's go. All right, guys, we got everything we need. I'll go home, make this meal. It's so quick, 45 grams of protein with the quickness. You're gonna like this one. Check this one out, man. You gotta try this one. Let me know in the comments if you tried it, all right? Guys, I'm back here at the house cooking up this meal. So simple. Like I said, I'm using 6 ounces of beef. Got everything ready to go. Let me show you what I'm working with. Let me show you the seasonings I use. There's one thing I forgot to tell you. Let me show you. Okay, so this is what I'm seasoning it with. But one thing I forgot to say, if you can find some kettle and fire bone broth, I put that in the meat. You know about that kettle and fire, you already know. Another thing I added was a little cayenne pepper. This will give it a little fire, a little more spice. You don't have to add this if you don't want to, but I like to add it up. A little pepper in there, it's fine. Like I said, you go with the Tony Chachere's, or come on with the Slap Your Mama, either one you want to use. All right, just season that meat however you want to. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of this green salsa, like I said, and that's just gonna add a little bit of flavor, and then we're ready to go. Let's go ahead and get this meat going. All right, guys, the meat's done. Let me show you what we're gonna put in these lettuce wraps. Like I said, use 1 cheese stick. What I did is I just took 1 cheese stick and I just cut it in half. I'm only gonna make 2 lettuce wraps. I also have one of those cucumbers. I just sliced it long ways in these lettuce wraps right here, all right? Keep these in stock, man. These things are great. They're really good because they, like I said, they give you that crispy texture whenever you're eating. It's perfect for beef when you have the cheese. And I'm just trying to tell you, you gotta try it, okay? Super simple. Boom, 1 cheese. Boom, another cheese. And then just add in some of these veggies, man, come on. Boom. All right, and that's it, man. Let's put the beef on there. We're ready to go. 45 grams of protein with the quickness. Come on now. All right, guys, now we're ready. 6 ounces of beef. Use however much beef you want. This is almost 40 grams of protein right here, all right? Go ahead and put it in that lettuce wrap. Come on now. It's like something you get at a restaurant, man. Come on, but you're making it at the house. Let's go. Look, bam. Now I'm gonna hit it with that Taco Bell fire sauce. Put a little of that on top. Yeah, buddy, come on. You can't beat that. Look at that, I made this in like 10 minutes. It's just 6 ounces of beef. You got a lettuce wrap, there's no excuses. You can't say, oh, well, what about the carbs? I don't like those tortillas, blah, blah, blah. No, you got lettuce wraps, man. You can't beat lettuce wraps, all right? You don't have to use lettuce wraps. You can use tortillas. I use tortillas all the time, but these lettuce wraps are amazing. And look at that, man, come on. This is something like you get at the restaurant now, but you're making it at the house. You know exactly what you put in it. It's getting you 45 grams of protein. All you have is beef, cheese, and cucumbers. Come on now, you can't beat that. I showed you how to season it. You can season it however you want to. You don't have to use the seasoning that I use. Season it however you want to. You can put some taco seasoning on. It doesn't matter, however you want to get down, okay? But man, you gotta go check this out. This is a quick and easy lunch or dinner idea. I don't know how to make it any easier. I had it last night. You know why? Because I had all this stuff in stock, okay? I had the beef in stock. I have all the seasoning in stock. I keep all this stuff in stock. I showed you what to get at the store. Just keep it in stock, and then whenever you need it, go make you a healthy meal. There's no more excuses. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. I'm trying to tell you, you can make these healthy meals, okay? I really want you to be able to make these healthy meals. I really want you to stop with the guesswork of like, oh, I don't know what I'm gonna eat tonight. Be like, hey, I can make all kinds of different meals tonight. I gotta just choose one because I have so many items in stock, okay? That's where you need to be, all right? There's no more excuses. You can do this, all right? Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm about to go eat this. Boy, that joker smells good. I'm trying to tell you, man, you have to try these. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna try these. They're so easy, man. Let's get 45 grams of protein now. Come on, let me know what you think. Let's go.